Hey everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to turn on Honeycam notification. So let's get started. Begin by launching settings on your mobile device. In the search bar, type in apps and perform your search. Now tap on it. Then select manage apps option. In the search bar, type in Honeycam and perform your search. Now click on it. Now tap on Notifications option. Then enable Show Notifications option. And this is how you can turn on Honeycam notification. Thanks for watching Web Solution. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.